In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to center text here in Canva. So first off, we're going to need some text to center. So what we're going to do is come up to the text tab just here, and let's click on Add a Heading. Then let's just put this in here as well. How to center text in Canva. Now let's just take that part out so we can make it a little bit smaller. But this, by default, is already centered. Now, how do we know this? Well, if we click onto the text, then come up to the top toolbar just here, and where it says alignment, we can see that this is centered. Now, to uncenter this or align this to the right or to the left, we can simply click on there, and now this has been aligned to the left. Now, let's just put that into the center. Now, if we click on that again, it's then going to center the text, and if we click on it again, it's then going to align it to the right. So to center text, make sure you have it on this one just here. Then all of your text will be centered. So that's just how easy it is to center text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.